My friend Assad, a couple of days ago, gave me a fresh Carolina Reaper pepper, the world's hottest pepper. On the Scoville heat index for measuring how hot peppers are, the habanero is 350,000. The Carolina Reaper is 2.2 million. And Assad cautioned me, he said, do not let it touch your skin. And he gave me these plastic gloves to wear, and he gave it to me in a plastic bag. I took it home and put it in the refrigerator with a warning sign on it, you know, in case I dropped dead of a heart attack and somebody was going through my fridge and found it and thought, oh, nice, a habanero, because it kind of looks like a habanero. Anyway, I think I've already shown the cautionary note I put on it. So anyway, my son James and my grandsons Jack and Gray and I are gonna split it into fourths and eat it. And we're gonna film it and see what happens. Yep, maybe it doesn't sound like much, but I think it's gonna be much. Okay. Gray has armed himself with some Purity ice cream. What flavor? Oh, chocolate Moose Tracks. Nice. Yeah. I have armed myself with this, and we're waiting for the Titans game to end, and then we'll get to it.
It premieres Tuesday after NCIS only on CBS.
Jack, are you ready to eat the pepper? Okay. We've got 7.5 minutes left in the game, right?
Yeah, it'll be about 15 minutes.
Yeah, okay, good. When Assad gave it to me, he handed it to me in this plastic bag, right? You're not supposed to touch it. He said it would raise blisters if you let it touch your skin. So why am I going to put it in my mouth and then swallow it? I don't know.
We're rolling.
Oh, man.
Stay close, stay close.
Oh, 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 that's hot. Oh, those seeds are hot. Oh! Woo, woo,
Okay, mine's
woo.
down. Mine's down too. Wow.
Oh, yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, ah, woo, buddy. I had a lot of seeds. Whoa,
They get in the back of my throat.
that's hot. That's real hot. Woo, but it's doable. Whoa,
Apparently
woo,
it peaks at 6 minutes.
huh?
It peaks at 6 minutes.
Ah! Oh, oh man. Woo, those seeds are hot. Oh, I feel it in my throat. Oh, oh, woo, my eyes are watering. Oh, 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 woo, woo, woo-wee. Oh,
You okay?
I'm so fired up I can't bring this glass to my mouth.
Can't drink.
I can do anything I want to. What? You made that rule.
We're at 135.
Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Am I allowed to rub it?
Ah! Mm. Oh! Ah! 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 Woo-wee! Oh, that's hot.
face is tingling.
Oh!
Why are you using this?
Oh! Ah, okay. I'm over the top.
I think I am too. I feel bad, but I think I feel good. You know.
Whew.
We're at 7:15.
Yeah, I'm pretty much over.
The second round's a lot easier.
Ah, that's not bad. You know what? I'm making a commitment in public here. I'm going to eat 5 of them at the same time. Soon.
Why?
Not really. That was a lie. I wouldn't even do this again. I don't think there's any politics attached to this.
Get the word out.
Whew. Ah, that's a hot dadgum pepper. That's a hot thing.
I feel like that opens new doors for spicy dishes.
Yeah, I feel like
Oh my
like all
goodness.
spicy.
Oh,
Yeah.
what's that thing that's gonna happen in 4 hours, Andrew?
Pepper bottom.
Pepper bottom.
And it's probably gonna feel like somebody lit a blowtorch back there.
Ah,
Is that from personal experience?
Yes.
I'll tell you what. If I have any parasites,
I mean, if this doesn't give you pepper
Intestinal?
bottom, what will? It's the hottest pepper.
they're
Yeah.
unhappy now.
I guess we're kind of asking for it.
Pretty much asking
Well,
for
that
it.
was good. Now,
I'm feeling good.
do not touch your eyes. Except Jack. Jack, rub your eyes. Huh? Yeah.
I think I avoided the spicy area
Oh!
with my finger.
How you feel?
Oh!
There you go. Family
We need
photo.
to get a group photo after 10 minutes.
Oh,
We are at
shoot.
9:15.
LOL. WTF. Ooh, these are getting full. Okay. Whew.
How long?
9:30 right now.
My tongue's still on fire. You know what? Your eyes are
Did any of y'all really experience like really crazy facial?
No, I didn't.
expressions?
It was my tongue and then
My hearing got a little. My right ear started ringing. I didn't feel much on my tongue. The back of my throat got really crazy for a little bit.
I had a really heavy like head rush.
Yeah, I felt really like.
no seeing mosquitoes or biting me. I'm gonna go in. Andrew,
One last group shot here.
What's the time?
We are 10-10 right here. And here they are, the Valiant Conquerors.
Yep.
And out.
Thank you, Andrew.